Welcome to 4518 North Kedzie. We're about to walk through apartment 4C, a beautiful 2-bed, 2-bath apartment. And as we enter the apartment, the first door on our right is the second bathroom, tub and shower. Actually, both bathrooms have jacuzzi tubs. Back out in the hallway on the right-hand side, we have laundry center and storage space. Not too often you get that much storage. Coat closet, and directly ahead is the second bedroom. And you'll notice right away this is king-size bed territory. Not only is it king-size bed territory, but the closet, and you'll see the double closets, the closet runs the entire end wall. Back out to the main area, and here we have a beautiful kitchen, miles of granite counters, great cabinet space, fridge, freezer side by side, stove, microwave, dishwasher of course, and a nice feature breakfast bar. Put a couple of stools there, and it's a great place to sit with a cup of coffee or to serve some friends. Very large main area. That's a full fireplace in the corner. And here we have 2 balconies. This is the first of 2. This faces east. And in fact, you can see buildings along the lake shore and also the downtown skyline. Let's go into the principal suite, which is just off here to the side. And we'll walk into the bedroom part first. And you'll notice you have great windows, a second balcony, which goes right around the corner, so it faces east, north, and also west. Again, great closet space. And directly adjacent here in the suite is the principal bathroom, double vanity. Always love a window in the bathroom. Check out the size of the 2-person jacuzzi tub. And over on the other side, we have the glass enclosed shower. So that's 4518 North Kedzie, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, just waiting for you to see. Give us a call at 773-961-7962. Visit the website, 4518kedzie.com. We'd want to show this to you in person because you'll love it. Thank you. Have a great day.